Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. We're out at this little park going for a walk, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So it's really pretty today. It's so nice. And it was like really cold a couple days ago. Look how pretty. Okay. Also, there are really creepy carvings in this park. I don't like it, it's creepy. There are some cute ones though. There's also lots of squirrels. Look at them. Hello, squirrels. Look at this one. Oh, that's a kid. Oh. But really, I like this side. See you in the background. Hee. Look at how crazy. A little duck and a squirrel. Look what we found. Hey guys, so we are home. We ate a little bit after going for that long walk, and then I've just been kind of working on cleaning up my vanity room. I still have a long ways to go, but I have been filming a little bit of decluttering in my Alex drawers. I'm about to go through this like random mess of like cream highlighters and things like that. Most of it doesn't even look good on my skin tone. So I'm gonna go through that and pick out what I am going to keep. And I really need to clean up in here. So I still haven't showered. I just wanted to like do all this like yucky cleaning and stuff before I got showered. I'm probably just gonna wash my hair because it's feeling a little yucky. And I'm really excited to start using that Grande shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna do that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna open advent calendars with you. I am going to be doing 2 videos today. Let me know in the comments below, is that like overwhelming? Because I have like multiple videos that I really want to put up for you guys and I don't want to wait. So I can definitely like include them in the vlog instead, or like make Vlogmas more about that video, but I don't want to take away like my normal like Vlogmas talking to you guys, advent calendars, all that. But is 2 videos a day too much? Now, I wouldn't put up like 2 long ones, but the one I'm putting up is going to be like 10 minutes, and then this vlog as well. So let me know, like if that's too much and you're like, oh my god, why is she putting up so many videos? Let me know, because I don't know how I feel about it. This room is such a disaster. It's giving me like anxiety because there's just stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna get ready to round up. I've got like clothes I need to take out of here. I need to take tags off of stuff. I need to wash all my new Victoria's Secret stuff that is going to be in that video going up, that should be up before this one. And yeah, I've just got stuff everywhere. Also, I totally forgot to unbox my PUSHEEN, so let's do that right now. This is fall 2018. The only thing I think about that is like they're really behind. So I've had this box for a couple weeks, so don't get me wrong, but like they send it at the end of the season, so I will get the winter one in like February or like a very end of January, which I think, like, what's the point then? Like, it's past. I really think these things are cute though, and they're not really fall. At least I don't think so, but let me show you. So the first thing is actually a robe. I don't want to put it on because I'm gross right now. But it's got PUSHEEN. Now I think this is absolutely adorable. It's like he's on clouds and balloons and all of that. I think that's so cute. So that I'm totally happy with. This is like very like a bathroom kind of themed, if you will. The little hand towel has PUSHEEN sleeping on a cloud. A stress ball. PUSHEEN stress ball. The little vinyl figure looks like it's just PUSHEEN, just laying there winking. Get a little scrubby. So it's just like a little loofah, and then the little tag has this PUSHEEN in a little bathrobe. So cute. You get a plush. This is really cute. So this is actually, the plush is the same. It's PUSHEEN in the little bathrobe. You get a toothbrush and holder. Ooh, it looks like that suctions too. That's really cool. So I think afterwards you could probably reuse that, but it's got like a little suction so you can like put it to the mirror. I like that idea a lot better because toothbrush holders get like gross. And then also a soap dispenser. That's really cute. Like obviously this is a bit juvenile to have like everything in your bathroom, but if I had like a little tiny powder room just off my like vanity room or something, that would be really cute. Sally's trying to get in the box. That's it for now. I am going to continue to try to get this room sorted. Now I've got even more stuff everywhere because I'm crazy. And then I will show you guys some advent calendars. Hey guys, so I have just showered and kind of gotten comfortable. My mom and aunt and I were actually supposed to go doing a little bit of shopping, which I don't think I told you guys earlier. Because when I talked to you last, it was still pretty early. We were supposed to go shopping, but they decided just to kind of come up and hang out for a little bit. So they just kind of felt like hanging out and weren't really in the shopping mood. So I was like, okay, let's just chill out. So we just kind of hung out, you know, played with the cats, had some coffee, stuff like that. And now I'm finally clean and in some new pajamas. I've got on my other set of Victoria's Secret, the red top and the little fox pants. I did put up a Victoria's Secret haul also. So if you only are seeing this video today or later, anyway, I put up a Victoria's Secret haul, and now I thought we would do some advent calendars, and this will probably be the last thing I do. It's getting pretty late, so I want to go ahead and do this with you guys and then put this vlog up for you. I think we started with the Lottie London one last time, so you can watch Vlogmas Day 1 to see all of the first day advent calendars. So now we're looking at number 2, which is up here in Lottie London. So this is a Shimmer Squad highlighter. I'm tempted to try it. It's in the shade The Good Girl, but then I'm also like, ooh, does that look dark? Oh, it like slides out, I guess. I guess this is just like a little slidey cover. So that is what it looks like, and it's the shade The Good Girl. Let's swatch her. Okay, good. It came out a little lighter. That's what I was hoping. Okay, so I can probably use a little bit of this. I definitely will have to try that out and see how it looks. I bent my nail back so bad putting that in. Okay. Ooh. And then we've got our little sock calendar. I did pick this up at Target if you didn't see the first one. And we are going for number 2. It has a squirrel. I am hopeful for some squirrel socks. Oh, these are not squirrel socks, they're owls. They are cute though. Little owl with a hat on. Okay, I'm not mad at it. It looks like it kind of matches. So that is our second pair of socks. I've got them right here. I hope there's some squirrel socks somewhere. That would make me happy. Next, we've got the little beauty parcel from Feel Unique. So I'm gonna open this up. This is so beautiful. This is truly like presentation. 10 out of 10 again. So we're looking for number 2. Looks like it's right there in the middle top. Let's see. I'm really excited about this one and they'll look fantastic. Makes me so excited. Okay, so this is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Nice. This is a good product. I actually think I have a full size of this. I will hold on to this for my next giveaway as another item when I hit 10,000. So we're getting really, really close. So I'll put that to the side since I know I have tried this before and one of you guys will be able to try it too. Our very last one is Look Fantastic. So here we've got number 2 and these are like little drawers. Let's see. So this is the Filorga Laboratories Anti-Aging Micellar. So this is a physiological cleanser and makeup remover. What? So I guess this is a micellar order that I'm going to be able to try out. So that is exciting as well. Alright guys, so that is our advent calendars for the night. I actually do have another advent calendar coming in the mail. So within the next few days, we'll open several all at once and then we'll add that to our rotation because I think that's a 24-day. So thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 2. We have a whole rest of the month to go. So be sure to check out other videos. If you didn't watch Vlogmas Day 1, it will be linked below, as well as my holiday gift guide and giveaway and my new Victoria's Secret video. So there's lots for you to watch. So if you have the time, make sure to watch some more videos. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next one. Bye.